What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Maverick Raven coming at you with another one. And this article is interesting because it's basically something that I've been saying for a long time, which is basically we don't know anything about anything. We are intelligent enough that we should know that we don't know anything. The have you ever watched the Boondocks cartoons? The Aaron McGruder stuff. Well, there's a character there called Rummy, and Rummy is voiced by Samuel L. Jackson, and he talks about unknown unknowns. In other words, things that you don't know about. Well, that's what we got today. And I hope that you find this article interesting because I found this to be kind of interesting too, but kind of like a duh. You know what I'm saying? Like, duh, we don't know anything about anything really. But before we get into that article, if you would please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You're doing me and my channel a gigantic favor, and my family and I thank you for that. We'd love to have you as a member of the flock. We treat our members good, I promise. The water's warm. Anyways, let's get into it, huh? It says we may have misunderstood the universe, Nobel Prize winner says. What remains is the real and exciting possibility that we may have understood the universe. You grow, girl. For a long time, scientists believed they understood how fast the universe is growing. But the more they learn, those theories seem to be expanding as fast as the universe itself. Basically, the Hubble constant measures the speed at which the universe is expanding. The only problem? Different instruments keep providing different values for it, giving rise to what's known as the Hubble tension. In other words, the measuring metric that they're using keeps changing, so how on earth can anything be accurate, right? It raises an interesting possibility that, as Nobel Prize winning physicist Adam Rees explains it in a NASA blog, much of what we thought we knew about the universe may have been wrong. We've now spanned the whole range of what Hubble observed, and we can rule out a measurement error as the cause of the Hubble tension with very high confidence, the Johns Hopkins physicist said. Pointing the Webb telescope deep into the universe, to try to confirm Hubble's complicated numbers back in 2023, scientists were puzzled when the newer telescope confirmed the findings of its predecessor, deepening the discrepancy. One possibility for the surprising readers could be stellar crowding, which occurs when space telescopes see more stars than they are able to handle, might affect expansion measurements as the light from them essentially warps their vision. So it's interesting. They again, unknown unknowns, right? They have no idea of what they don't know. So they're trying to make sense of it, and how can you make sense of something that you have no idea of where the ground even starts? You know what I'm saying? Stellar dust makes this effect even stronger, another element, right? Another chaotic element. But as NASA explains, the Webb should be able to cut through the noise and get more accurate imaging and distance measurements. As Rees speculates, there may be something greater going on than the numbers not adding up. With measurement errors negated, he told NASA what remains is the real and exciting possibility that we have misunderstood the universe. Pretty interesting, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the link down below so that you guys can go to it. Um, I definitely recommend reading it yourselves and getting your own grasp on the story. But yeah, man, like this is fascinating stuff. Anyways, be safe, you guys. Be good to one another and stay based. I'm gonna try to head out of here and get some rest so that I can feel better tomorrow, so I can make a whole new slew of videos for you guys. But keep it up, you guys.